welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is Shanti Atta and you are in my world. Of the Blinkit haul. If you have missed out on the first part, please go and check out the video. I'll share the link in the description box for you all. And yes, that's it. Let's get started. Next is a very viral product. It wasn't available on Blinkit previously. It's now. So it's a Stays 99 All Eyes on You mascara, and I've heard a lot about this mascara. This retails for 349 rupees, and I have used this mascara today, and look at the damn length of my eyelashes. Next is I have so many Faye lip colors this time, because I really thought that I'll get my hands on them. Now each one of them retails for 650 rupees, each one of them, and I have it in the shade Cuff, Ride, Safe Word and Buns, and I'll just swatch it. I guess this is in the shade Cuff. All of them are nude shades. Even I'm wearing today shades. I'm wearing, I think I made a mix of Ride and Buns. These are all very light, and I will require lip lining and a lip liner for the so that it does not wash out. So yeah, this is the shade Cuff. Quickly swatch the others. This is the shade Safe Word. This is the shade Ride. I really thought the shade's gonna be this dark, but no, it is not that dark. And I literally required a lip liner, and I mixed up shades, and usually I do that. This is the shade Ride. For fair skin tones, I think that will work better. This is the Buns shade, and I will only use this to tone down some lip colors. So I would really use them then. Then I have the Tulips cotton pads. It retails for how much? 175 bucks. So I was out of it, so I had to restock that. Next is the Color Bar Beauty sponge, a black color sponge, and that retails for 199. The product is the Lakme 95 Iconic Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. I think there is no introduction required, and this retails for 299 rupees. Next is the Mars Pizza Puff powder puffs. I really wanted to try them out. The triangular one, I did not have any previously, so I wanted to have them. And yeah, it comes with a pack of 2, and it retails for 129 bucks. Quite reasonable and good deal. Next is my all-time favorite LA18 Eye Drama Bold Black Kajal, and this is, I think, my 8th or 9th or maybe the 10th package, and I keep restocking this. So next is the Sky High Mascara, and this is the waterproof one. This is the black color packaging one, which retails for 599 rupees. This was a discounted price. It's there. MRP is 849, and I got it for 599. That's a good deal. Another beauty blending product which retails for 149, and it's by Mars. The mini ones. It has a lot of them, but the mini ones, just for the tips and corners. Now, this is the Everlasting Foundation by Color Bar XXO range. It is retailing for 349 rupees, and it's in the shade Beige. This is actually my shade. And it has a very water-like consistency, water-like formula, and I think they could have worked on it's like a buildable kind of a foundation. It's not really high coverage. No, it's low to medium coverage, and I think this could have been a high coverage foundation, but really a lightweight. It feels like skin. So yeah, I have another Color Bar foundation. It's in the shade Petal, and the price is pretty much the same, 349 rupees, in the shade Petal. A bit lighter shade, I feel. So I don't know, I think I have to mix and match with something, or maybe This is an amazing shade for my mom, but I don't think for me. Okay, next is the Colorbar XOXO range Everlasting Primer. This is a nice primer, lightweight primer. This retails for $3.99, and I really like the consistency. I used it this morning, and I think it does the work. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me Matteless Poreless Compact Powder in the shade 230, which retails for 269 rupees. Oh my god, the packaging is nice, man. It's a nice packaging. It's in the shade 230, and I believe it's my shade. I don't know. I think so. This is accurately my shade. I have another beauty sponge by Stays, which retails for $1.99. Another mascara by Maybelline. It's the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. It retails for 599 rupees. Is the Pack Lash eyelash adhesive. I was out of my adhesive, so this was the one that was available. So yeah, I got it. And this retails for how much? $545. So yeah. This one is the Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. I had another shade, and I got it in the shade Skinny Dip. I really wanted to try this brown kind of shade, so yeah, I'll unpack it for you guys. Let's see how this one is. It's a nice peachy kind of tone. I don't know how will it look on my skin. This is the Teddy Tint one. Let's see how that works on my skin. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40. I was expecting the shade 30, but this is in the shade 40. I think it's a bit darker on my skin. I don't know, I'll just give it a little try later on to just see how it works on my skin. This retails for $5.99. I'm a Maybelline fan, so yeah. This was a much hyped product, and I really wanted to give this a try. This is the Contour Stick by Lakme. It's like all-in-one stick that they have, you know, multitasker face stick. I really want to give this a try and see how it is. Okay, it comes with a cap. It just could see nikal gaya. Okay, yeah, let's see. Yeah. Now finally I'm gonna get to contour. Retails for $8.99 rupees. Next we have the Lakme like lip mousse. This is in the shade Date Night Pink. It's a nude pink. I think this is gonna wash out. Yes, this is gonna wash out, guys. This is the nude pink color. Retails for 700 rupees. Now I have the little minis of the lip mousse. I have in the shade Dark Cherry and Chocolate Temptation. Smaller lip mousse. Each one of them retails for 499 rupees. This one which I'm going to swatch is the Chocolate Temptation. I just hope this really works out for me. I mean, I don't want to get disappointed. I don't want a shade that will wash out. This might work out for me. This is the shade. This might work out for me. It's a nice, good brown, nude brown shade. The next one is the Dark Cherry. It's a I thought it would be a red tone, but this is actually a deep pink magenta kind of a tone, and I'm really obsessed with this tone. I mean, next is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Normal to Dry Skin Primer, and this retails for, you guys know it all, but still, 619 rupees. Next up is the Stays Micro Brow Definer. It is in the shade 01 Natural Brown. I wanted to try their eyebrow definer. Wow, the packaging is, it's very sleek, matte, it's nice. Wow, even the tip is very precise, very thin. Wow. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 130, and I have a feeling it's a lighter shade, so I might use it for you know, brightening my under eyes or something like that. This one is in the shade 144, and this is a bit darker color, and I got it for making giving that warmth to my skin, like the days when I don't feel like doing heavy uh, contouring. I think I'll go with this one just to give that warmth to the skin. So yeah. Next is the Mars liquid blush, and I told you I bought a lot of Mars product this time. It's in the shade 04. I think it's in a very pink or maybe lesser pink shade. I don't know. Looks pigmented, and I think this is, yeah, it's kind of a pinkish tone, and I like this one. It has a water-like consistency. Is this also, it gives a tint like effect. Nice. I think this will last long. There's another lipstick by Kiro. I really wanted to try their lipstick collections, and this retails for $8.75. This is the shade Nude Lily. I'll just give this a try. It's a nude pink shade, and I really hope this does not wash out. I don't think it will. Okay, another my most favorite, and I think I would purchase every shade possible. This is the Vinyl Lip Ink. It's in the shade Lippy. I really wanted to try this shade. I think I had this shade. No, I did not. It's a darker peach color. This darker orangish peachish kind of color. Next, I have a range of things. I went bazookas while purchasing this one. This is the holographic liner by Swiss Beauty, the multi-chrome effect liners. And each one of them retails for 449 rupees. I got this in different shades. This one is in the shade Northern Light. This one is in the shade Meteor. This one is in the shade Colored Earth, and this one is in the shade Nebula. Okay, another product that I went bazookas with is the Maybelline Tattoo Liner, and each one of them retails for 549 rupees, and I have it in a lilac, a pink, and a white color. This is the Calabar waterproof eyeliner. I'm wearing it today. It's completely matte. It dries instantly, and the wand is really nice. So yeah, and this retails for $95. So yeah. This is another pocket-friendly purchase. This is the L18 Ace Base Primer, which retails for 135 rupees. Another, and I think the last product from today's collection, is the Stays Lipstone Light Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Cocoa Crush. And this is the nutty brown color. A color that I would like to use every day, and I use brown. So I have packed up a lot of browns this time. And this one retails for $289. So yeah, that is it, you guys. This was all the products that I had purchased from Blinkit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for regular updates of every videos that I post. So yeah, love you. Bye.